Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Webflow SSO via Auth0 for secure client projects, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Webflow SSO via Auth0, first, navigate to your Auth0 dashboard. Create a new application by selecting the Applications tab. Choose the Regular Web Applications option to proceed. Name your application appropriately for easy identification. Once created, locate the Settings section of your application. Make sure to set the allowed callback URLs to include your Webflow project URL. Include any additional URLs needed for logout and web origins. Next, scroll down to find the domain and client ID fields. Keep this information handy as you will need it later in your Webflow project. Now, switch to your Webflow project and access the project settings. Look for the Integrations tab within the settings. Here, find the option for Custom Authentication. Start configuring the authentication settings by entering your Auth0 domain. Add your Auth0 client ID to the appropriate field. Next, set the appropriate authentication callback URL in your Webflow project. This should match the callback URL you set earlier in Auth0. After saving the settings in Webflow, navigate back to your Auth0 dashboard. Click on the API section in the left-hand menu. If you don't see a default API, create one by clicking Create API. Provide a meaningful name for this API and set its identity. Ensure that the signing algorithm is set to RS-256 for enhanced security. Now, look for the Permissions tab within your new API. Define the permissions that client users will need for authentication. Return to the Webflow project and create a login button. Set up a click event to trigger the Auth0 login. Ensure that the login process redirects users back to your Webflow site after successful authentication. Once you've configured the login button, test the authentication flow. Log in with a sample user to confirm the integration is working as expected. Check both Webflow and Auth0 for any error messages during the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.